Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about a very important topic. It is about how to learn communication skills in English. Many people know English words. Many people know English grammar. But still, they cannot communicate well. They feel nervous when speaking. They stop in the middle of a sentence. Sometimes they do not find the right words. If this happens to you, don't worry. You are not alone. Many people face this problem. In this video, I will share simple tips. These tips will help you improve your communication skills in English. The sentences are easy, the ideas are clear, so you can understand everything and practice in your daily life. 1. Start with simple sentences. Good communication does not mean using big words. Good communication means expressing your thoughts clearly. So start with simple sentences. For example, instead of saying, "I would like to extend my appreciation for your assistance," just say, "Thank you for your help." Simple English is powerful. When people understand you, you feel confident. And when you feel confident, you communicate better. 2. Listen more than you speak. Listening is the key to communication. If you listen carefully, you will learn new words. You will learn correct pronunciation. You will also understand how native speakers connect words. You can listen to English songs. You can listen to English news. You can watch English movies or YouTube videos. But listen actively. Try to repeat the words. Try to copy the way they speak. When you listen daily, your brain becomes comfortable with English sounds. Slowly, you will catch words more quickly. You will also understand sentences without translation. Listening every day makes your brain comfortable with English. Remember, a good speaker is first a good listener. So give more time to listening. The more you listen, the better you will speak. Listening is like planting seeds, and speaking is like growing the tree. Without listening, your speaking will not improve.
3. Practice speaking every day. Communication is like a muscle. If you practice daily, it becomes strong. If you don't practice, it becomes weak. You don't need a partner always. You can practice with yourself. Stand in front of a mirror. Talk about your day in English. Say simple things like, "I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat my breakfast. I go to school. I am learning English." When you do this every day, your tongue becomes used to English words. Slowly, you will speak naturally. Daily speaking practice removes fear. It also makes your words flow smoothly. Even 5 minutes of practice daily is powerful. You will notice small improvements week by week. 4. Learn common phrases. Sometimes we know words, but we don't know how to use them in daily life. That is why learning common phrases is important. For example, "How are you?" "Nice to meet you." "Can you help me?" I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please? These small phrases are very useful. If you learn them, you can communicate in real situations easily. Phrases are ready-made sentences for you. They save time and reduce confusion. The more phrases you know, the more natural you will sound. 5. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Many learners feel shy. They think, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me? But remember, mistakes are part of learning. Even children make mistakes when they learn their first language. So don't be afraid. If you speak wrong, it is okay. The important thing is to keep speaking. With time, you will improve. Every mistake teaches you something new. Mistakes are not your enemy, they are your teacher. The more mistakes you make, the faster you will learn. 6. Read and repeat. Reading is another good way to improve communication. Pick simple English books or articles. Read them loudly. Repeat the sentences. This will improve your pronunciation. This will also give you confidence to speak in front of others. For example, you can read, "Today is a beautiful day. I am happy. I am learning English." Say it again and again until it feels natural. Reading loudly makes your voice stronger. It also helps you remember words better. When you repeat sentences daily, your speaking speed improves.
7. Think in English. One big problem learners face is translation. They think in their own language first. Then they translate into English. This takes time. So, try to think directly in English. For example, when you see food, don't think in your language first. Just say in your mind, "This is rice. This is bread. I am eating." When you train your mind to think in English, communication becomes fast and natural. Thinking in English saves time. It also makes you confident in real conversations. At first, it feels difficult, but slowly it becomes a habit. 8. Use technology. Today, learning English is easy because of technology. You can use mobile apps for speaking practice. You can join online English groups. You can watch English podcasts or join live sessions. Even social media can help. You can write comments in English. You can post short messages in English. You can record yourself speaking and listen again to improve. Technology is a free teacher. Use it wisely. Remember, your phone can be a classroom. Instead of wasting time, use it to practice English. 9. Be patient and consistent. Communication skills do not grow in one day. It takes time. It takes practice. It takes patience. If you practice for 10 minutes daily, it is better than practicing for 2 hours only once a week. Small steps every day make a big change. So don't give up. Keep going. Slowly, you will see improvement. Learning English is like climbing a mountain. Step by step, you will reach the top. Consistency is more powerful than speed. 10. Confidence is the key. Finally, remember this. The secret of communication is confidence. Even if your grammar is not perfect, speak with confidence. Even if your words are simple, speak with confidence. People will understand your feelings more than your grammar. So smile, relax, and speak proudly. Confidence makes your words stronger. Confidence makes people listen to you. Confidence makes you shine in every conversation. Final words. My dear friends, learning communication skills in English is a journey. It is not about being perfect. It is about expressing yourself clearly. So start with small steps. Listen more. Speak every day. Learn common phrases. Don't fear mistakes. Think in English. Use technology. And always practice with confidence. If you follow these tips, you will see progress in your communication. And one day, you will speak English fluently and confidently. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple English learning videos. See you in the next video. Take care and keep practicing.